Hey, so I wanted to make a video to show people how to find their albums and how much they're going for on eBay and really what they're going for on the market now. So if we go here and let's just do Van Halen and hit search, if you see over here it brings up all the records. If you go down here you'll see the record grading. So if I scroll down, oops, let's say we want a near mint one and an excellent one. And then we can scroll down again. It shows us our sleeve grading. There's excellent, very good, plus. Let's do first pressings just because. And then we can look over here and see what they have them listed for. So we have one for $10.50. We have one for $32. If you see it in the italics, it's from the United Kingdom or somewhere overseas. Other people now have them for $40, $35. This one seems to be $199 for some reason. I think they're a little out of whack. Anyways, if we scroll all the way down here to the sold, and we click on that, we see what they're actually selling for. So you have one that sold for $20. It claims it's near mint, first press, has the poster. That's a good price. Here's another one. It's in excellent condition. This one sold for $30. So as you can see, you can scroll down. Sometimes they get out of whack. A lot of top-rated sellers sell theirs for more than what other people sell them for. And the market can be all over the place, because if you don't know what you're doing and you're a first-time seller or you haven't sold that much on eBay, you can sell them for cheaper than what they're actually going for. So that's why it's best to always look and see what they're selling for and know how to grade them. And then this way you can get a good opinion on what to buy this album for out in the real world.